start fast. Yeah, coming to the mechanism of reaction NBUBR, there is a butane thing, correct? With KCN, and again the butane is coming with cyanide. So most important thing for us to know in this reaction is what? What is the CN minus basically? Correct. What is the CN minus? It is an ambidendant nucleophile. So if you don't know what is ambidendant nucleophile, don't need to worry. Okay, because I'm going to write what it is. Okay, so before that, let me write the reaction of this butane NBUBR structure. CH3, CH2, then CH2 again, and one more CH2 Br, butane thing, correct? Plus KCN in presence of the catalyst will give me what? CH3, CH2, 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 and Cn. This is my Cn. So what I written in the first line? This is an ambidendant nucleophile, which means the carbon atom. Yes. What does it mean? KCN. So if I'm taking KCN, the KCN, this particular thing, cyanide. Cn minus ion is what? Cn minus ion is an ambidendant nucleophile. Therefore, hence, this ion, Cn minus ion, correct, can attack what? The carbon atom of CBr bond. In which one? In this particular thing. So I'm writing down each and everything so that you will understand. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2Br. Correct? Either through what? Either through C or N. Either through ambidendant. So either through C or N respectively. Correct? And one more thing we have to note down in this is, yes, which is stronger? The CC bond or CN bond? CC bond or CN bond, which is stronger? Obviously, we know that which bond is stronger? CC bond is greater than CN bond. Correct? So the attack occurs through what bond then? Then the attack occurs through what? Not through the N, through the C to form what? N-butyl cyanide. To form N-butyl cyanide, which is there in the question. Correct? Yes. And always remember what is my CN actually? C triple bond N. C triple bond N. Okay. It is an ambidendant nucleophile. So either through C or N, it can attack. Fine. So now let me go back to the question here. So this is the mechanism of the reaction. N-butyl bromide plus KCNL giving us N-butyl cyanide respectively. How many of you did not know what is NBU? This is N-butyl bromide. N-butyl bromide. This is my N-butyl cyanide. How many of you got confused with this NBU? Got blank after seeing this? Is it clear for everyone? Anyone want to copy down this thing? Please copy it down now. This and this. So the main thing here is what? It is an ambidendant nucleophile, which is there in our class 11th. If you're taking a screenshot or copy it down, let me know. Yeah, I think everyone has finished this. Let me go to next one. Any other question in this? The reaction or any other thing you want me to discuss? Question number 11. Let me see the question. How will you bring about the following conversion? Ethanol to what? But 1-ine. Correct? Yes. See, this again involves a major mechanism here. Okay, so if I want, the first question here is ethanol to an alkyne to but 1-ine. Correct. So first thing is, what did you do in this? We have to convert the ethanol to what? Chloroethane. Ethanol is CH3, CH2OH. Correct? This in terms of SOCl2 and pyridine, the catalyst used here. I'll get what? Chloroethane. CH3, CH2, Cl. Yes. And if I treat it with KOH and HCl, what I'll be getting? I'll be getting an alkene, ethene I'll be getting. CH2 double bond, CH2. Yes. Then if I treat it with what? Bromine, Br2, as well as NaNH2, I'll be getting what? Acetylene, triple bond, because my main thing here is what? Basically, I have to get but1-ine. Correct? CH, triple bond. I'll write it down properly here so that it will be easy for you to understand. HCl, write down. HC triple bond, CH. So this is what my acetylene. So now with this, I have to get what? But1-ine. Correct? Yes. So this I'm treating with NaNH2. Which one? The one which I just now got. CH triple bond, CH, acetylene. Correct? This I treat with what? NaNH2. Yes. With what? Liquid ammonia. Liquid ammonia. I'll be getting, what's this? Na, liquid ammonia. And what will happen with this thing? Na will get attached. Yes. So I can write here HC triple bond, C minus Na plus. Correct? So this again, if I do what? Chloroethane. Again, if I treat it with chloroethane, that is CH3, CH2Cl. Yes, and if I subtract NaCl, and if I subtract NaCl, I'll be getting what? But1-ine. CH3, CH2, C triple bond, CH. This is my but1-ine. Yes. Okay. So here in the first one, if you want, you can minus HCl also here. Okay, here you can do minus HCl. Here we can do what? We can minus ammonia also. That I not written down because catalysts are not given that much important. Okay, if I want, I can write here minus HCl and minus NH3 also. So CH3, CH2OH is what? My ethanol. This is my ethanol. This is what? My chloroethane. chloroethane. CH2 double bond, CH2, then CH2, this is my acetylene. Same thing. Finally, I'll be getting but1 ine, YNE. This is my ethanol to but1 ine conversion.